Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with your internet speeds being capped at 100 megabytes per second and you're using an internet based connections. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapter. So kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. Okay? So once na-click mo na yan, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito whatever connections you have. Alright? So, i-select mo lang dito yung ating Wi-Fi connection. So, click mo lang siya. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung properties. And pop up itong kanyang properties. And then, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, next step, dito lang sa properties ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito at i-select yung speed and duplex. Okay? So, for example natin ay nahanap mo na or na-select mo na yung speed and duplex. So, click mo lang yan. And then, dito naman sa kanyang value ay kailangan mo lang i-modify. Okay, so if 1.0 Gbps for duplex is listed, your card supports gigabyte connectivity. And if your card does not support gigabyte connections, if 100 Mbps for duplex is the highest value listed. So in any case, select auto negotiations from value drop down in the network adapter settings if any other value is selected. So dito lang sa value ay click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then for example ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung auto negotiations. Alright, so after yan, and then click mo lang dito yung okay, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So, type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So, click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay select mo lang dito yung network and internet. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And then, madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-follow kung ano yung step-by-step procedure na pwede natin gawin para ma-fix yung error. So, after dito, ang next step, so close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix internet speed cap at 100 Mbps in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.